Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bliss, and in today's video I want to be giving you the secret and the strategy to unlock the new tax on Paws Airdrop. Now if you are seeing my face for the first time and you haven't watched my video before, that's because I haven't been uploading, but I'm back here so that I can be uploading and giving you the latest hottest gist on how to make money online, crypto airdrop, and fitness tips for life. So if you know this type of video is what you like to watch, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. So without no further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so here we are now in our Paws dashboard. This is actually my second account. So if you click over to this explore section, you're going to be see that here is actually the place that we can actually buy. You can actually vote and add our ton so that this pool can actually rise, and the more this pool rise and accumulate, the more that we reach our milestone. So now guys, the main thing is how we can actually achieve all these tasks that are here. So the first thing is actually the reach the first milestone. That one is actually free for everybody. So if you have a Paws Airdrop account or you come to your dashboard, you just have to click on the claim button or check button, then click on claim it to claim. But service is actually stopping. If you people have been checking, you see that service is stopping. But in my first account, I've claimed up to the third milestone. So continue clicking on it and you'll be surprised that it will work. Then the second one, for you to explore this store now and get this 30,000 pounds, you have to come to this side and add this, because I haven't gotten that. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now and do this 0.1 ton transaction. So now I'm going to be paying 0.1 ton transaction because this is actually my second account. So it will direct me to Tonkeeper, which I'll just connect my wallet. Very simple right there. I'll go back to the app and it will say that I should pay. So I'll go and it will send me a confirmation. Then I click on OK, confirm transaction. I input my PIN. So after that, it has actually gone through. It's verifying right now. So what I have to just do is just to wait. They say sending transaction, if you can see clearly. Then go back to this side and it said thank you for your contribution. Go back. Then I'll go back and they said if you have made a transaction but haven't received your rewards, no worries, reward are being processed and you get credited soon. I said got it. Then I'll go back to this taxation. I'll actually refresh to see if this explore ton will show. Okay guys, I've actually refreshed it and as you can see here, this is my balance currently 122k. And let's go to the explore section and let's go to the end section. You see that explore ton is now active because I've actually made the payment. I'll go ahead and claim it. It's claimed, right? Then we'll go back to this and you have seen that it's added onto the balance. Now that is for that section. Now the third one is lucky blocks. Now this lucky block is actually the number of times you actually paid on this add pause, the number of transactions you actually make. Like if I go ahead and make another transaction and another transaction, like 3 transactions, it will actually open because the name is lucky block. That is how it works. I did it in my first account. So now this third one is mystery quest. Now for you to open this mystery quest, you have to make a ton transaction worth of 1.5 ton. Now if you make it if you make a ton transaction worth of 1.5 ton, you'll be getting this. If you make a ton transaction worth of 1.5, you'll be getting that. Then this other one is if you make 3 to 4 transactions on ton, no matter the amount you open this, then but it should be 0.1 because that is the limit. Then this other one is if you do any ton transaction, they'll give you that, and this one is for everybody. So guys, this is actually what is here right now. This is actually everything you need to know. I pray everybody does this and be among the people that will get something better from this airdrop. So guys, thanks for watching. If this video was very helpful, don't forget to click on the notification bell and the subscribe button so when next I upload you won't miss it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one, and don't forget, it's in a blaze. Peace.